Yeah, the creepy crab. The killer crab! Justin, it's like, I would go to a restaurant called the killer crab. What will it do? You know, I'm beginning to, like, it almost seems strange to me when I... Whoa, shit! Whoops! Oh, fuck. Well, this match is gonna end a lot faster than I anticipated. Oh, hell. You know I'm looking up at you, don't you?
You're gonna get down and keep looking up. Bye,
Damn it! Fuck, no! Dude, your fucking friend ruined this.
You're the one that decided to shoot at us.
Well, I had to shoot him! He was gonna down me!
Yeah, you know. You know.
I like I'm shooting the gun. I was shooting your boom shot. Maybe it'll malfunction if I do that. Oh!
What?
Lag. Lag. Malfunction if I do that. Oh!
What?
Lag. 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 No! What
Wait,
was
no.
that?
That was awesome is what it was.
Well, that was unfortunate.
Come on. Oh, these things suck.
Maintenance required.
It was actually kind of scary.
I also like what I got. What the hell? Sean?
Oh my god.
What? No.
Oh, god.
Oh, come on!
Man, that's just shit
on.
luck, man.
That's very shit luck. Oh. Get out of here, Marcus! Justin, stop being a tryhard! Stop being a tryhard! Justin, if you make my head pop, I can make your nuts rock. Justin, if you make my nuts rock. Fuck me, dude.
Unit reloading.
No!
My friend, you are fucked.
Yeah.
Oh!
Oh! Fuck, dude. I'm shaking.
Oh, that's smart. I have faith, but do you?
No.
Good, because you also have no more friends. Hold on, guys.
Oh! Takes two to tango.
Yeah, you're so cool, Marcus.
Flank him! No. 2-on-1, Justin. You don't stand a chance. Charge!
It's father and son bonding time.
Father and son trying to take down a rogue machine. A really dangerous one. With an explosive. Ow! Hell. Oh. Used to be a Sandia.
What? What?
Dude, you know what this next match is? The match to end all
matches.
I hate the match to end all matches. I really do.
Target subdued.
We're already off to a bad start.
You have nobody.
Wow, this is why I hate it! Kate. Dude, no way. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. I can at least get one of them, right? No! Are you shitting me? No, that doesn't count. That match doesn't count. Oh, wow, I may have fucked that up a lot, actually.
Hey, don't shoot me from behind, man. It's just not nice.
Wow!
Oh my god! Where the fuck did you come from?
Ammo over here. This is not fair. Where the hell did you come from? Collateral damage anticipated.
Wow, we are not doing amazing, but... No! Justin, can I please blow his head off? I promise I won't shoot you. Let me see if I can actually hit it. Wait. I don't think it'll let me do it then. I was just like, I wanted to see the shock. The hostage was...
Suppressing targets.
Oh, she did it!
Yeah, oh, that pop was JD, wasn't it? That's the noise she's making. Oh!
It sounded painful. Like, I think Marcus was actually in agony from that one.
Yeah, I don't. He didn't scream either. But I'm
was like,
sure it was applied.
That's what I heard.
Really?
What the hell? This thing sucks. Convince me of my. Ah!
Yeah, which means Justin, they're well, actually, no,
Dude, Raina just killed her daughter.
What the fuck?
Oh shit, dude! He fucked you up!
Dude, he Justin, he betrayed me. He betrayed me. That was unbelievable. No, not particularly. Oh, fuck. I know you're there. Dude, I see you!
I know you do, and that's what's scary about it.
I'm a fucking dead shot. Ah! Justin, I bet you in one of these shitty little Night at Gears videos, it's gonna be I'm a dead shot, then the next scene will be me getting my head blown off. I bet you that's exactly what it's gonna be, and it's gonna have some random anime girl at the end of it. I'm a fucking dead shot. Ah!
Citizens who disobey may be detained against their will.
Alex's Comeback 2018. Oh. Oh.
Obedience to this
Oh.